Okay, we are at sea. Be arriving at Half Moon Cay before too much longer. Interesting little occurrence. Had a helicopter buzz around. I have no idea what that's all about. But sun is just coming up fully, so back up so it's not blinding. If you notice way off in the distance there, right at the horizon, there are some little tiny islands. Well, at this distance everything looks tiny, I guess, but there are some islands out there, and this is part of the whole Bahamas chain. There's a helicopter again. I have no idea what that's all about. It looked like earlier it may have landed on the bow of the ship. I don't know if there's a helipad up there or not, but very curious. I'll figure out how to get up there and take a peek at it. But I don't know if it was a sick passenger or something entirely separate or what, but been buzzing around here for a while now. Jeez. Dude, come on, swimming. I don't know if that's tied in with a ship line or somebody else on the road or what's going on. Very curious. Not something you typically see at sea, but again, we are very close to islands at the time. I'll keep an eye on it for a little longer, see if it's anything interesting. Guess as long as it doesn't start shooting at us, we're okay. He's not that far above the water. And if he just kept going straight, he'd ram right at the side of the ship. He's turning, of course, but... Alright, there we go. Sorry, keep watching too much. I'm trying to keep that frame. Alright, he is, looks like coming across the bow or even landing on it, so, don't know. Other side of the ship now. Well, if you never see this video, then that means he got us. Otherwise, I'll post it when I get back home. A lot of the activities take place throughout in the evenings and days at sea. You got dance lessons and all kinds of fun stuff going on. And of course, like I said, lots of sunbathing.